Hi to all. Subject fundamental of surveying. Topic measurement of distances. Subtopic direct method of ranging. My name is Uday Bhaskar. On completion of this period, would be able to describe the methods of direct ranging. ఈ కంప్లీట్ అయ్యేసరికి డిస్క్రైబ్ ద మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ డైరెక్ట్ రేంజింగ్ అనేది మీకు వచ్చి ఉండాలి. ఆల్రెడీ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో రేంజింగ్ ఈజ్ ద ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫిక్సింగ్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ పాయింట్స్ ఆన్ ద గివెన్ చైన్ లైన్. రేంజింగ్ అంటే ప్రాసెస్ ఆఫ్ ఫిక్సింగ్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ పాయింట్స్ ఆన్ ద చైన్ లైన్. Ranging has to be done when the end stations may be or may not be visible. Ranging has to be done when the end stations may be or may not be visible. Okay. When the distance between end stations is more than the chain length. When the distance between end stations is more than the chain length. Okay. Ranging methods may be direct or indirect. Ranging lo two methods unnai. Number 1 direct ranging method and number 2 indirect ranging method. మనం డైరెక్ట్ రేంజింగ్ మెథడ్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్ ఆఫ్ రేంజింగ్ అండ్ అప్లికేషన్స్. దిస్ మెథడ్ ఈజ్ అప్లైడ్ when two end stations are intervisible. Applications of the direct ranging method. This method is applied when the two end stations are intervisible, the length of line is more than one chain length. Intervisibility means if we look from one end, the other end point shall be visible. If the length of line is less than the chain length, we need not fix intermediate points for ranging purpose. In this method, the intermediate points are fixed by direct observations only. Direct method of ranging. Ranging by దీంట్లో మెథడ్స్. రేంజింగ్ బై. టు బిగిన్ విత్ ద రేంజింగ్ రాడ్స్ షుడ్ బి ఎరెక్టెడ్ vertically behind each end of the line. Please see this diagram. P, A, B, C, Q, the points. Surveyor stands at a station of 2 meters behind the first ranging rod P. The assistant holds the ranging rod vertically at arm's length, where it is desired to establish intermediate stations, say A. Ranging rod should be held lightly by the thumb and forefinger and roughly in line. Surveyor directs his assistants to move his rod to right or left until points P and Q appear to be exactly in straight line. The assistant fixes of the intermediate stations as at A. Surveyor checks the lower ends of the rods to avoid error due to non-verticality of the rods. This process is repeated to fix the required number of intermediate points B, C, etc. Code of signals. ఈ డైరెక్ట్ రేంజింగ్ మెథడ్ చేసినప్పుడు కోడ్ ఆఫ్ సిగ్నల్స్. ఫాలోయింగ్ code of signals may be used to direct the assistant to fix intermediate points nearly in line PQ. Rapid sweeps with right hand move considerable to the right. Rapid sweeps with left hand move considerable to the left. Slow sweeps with right hand move slowly to the right. One arm up and moved to one side, push the rod to that side. Both hands above head and then brought down, correct. Both hands extended forward horizontally and depressed, briskly fix. Both hands extended forward horizontally and depressed, briskly fix. Ranging by line ranger. Line ranger. Line ranger is small reflecting instrument. It is used to fix intermediate points on the chain line. It consists of two right angle isosceles triangular prisms. These are placed one above the other. Please see this figure, ranging by line ranger method. Please observe these three figures. Procedure of ranging. Erect two end stations A and B. To establish intermediate stations P, the observer stands approximately in line near P. He holds the line ranger at the level of I. Rays of light from ranging rod A enter the upper prism. Rays get reflected from the hypotenuse of the prism. Two reflected rays from A and B enter the eye at right angles to the line AB. Thus, the images of rods A and B are seen directly in the upper and the lower prisms by the observer. If the point P is not in the line AB, the two images appear separately as shown in figure. The observer moves backwards or forwards at right angles to the line. The observer moves backwards or forwards at right angles to the line until two images appear exactly vertically above the other. The point P is then exactly vertical and the center of the instrument. Repeat the process till required number of intermediate. Stations are fixed. The instrument is useful to establish intermediate points on a long line. We need not go to one end stations repeatedly for sighting the other points ranging by theolite. This method to be adopted for highly precise work. Fixing intermediate points can be done either from one end or from places intermediate points. This we can discuss in next class. Okay, in this period we have discussed about the meaning of the term ranging, classification of ranging methods, method of direct ranging, ranging by line ranger, ranging by theolite. Okay, small question. Process of fixing intermediate stations is known as ranging. In direct ranging, intermediate points can be fixed when the end stations are intervisible. Which of the following is method of direct ranging? Random line ranging method or ranging by reciprocal ranging? Known. The correct answer is ranging by eye. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.